Hello friends, welcome to tutorialsrays, and in this video you are learning TypeScript. So guys, in this series, in this chapter, now we are going to cover chapter number 9, which is understanding tuples. So guys, if you know Python, then in Python also the concept of tuples is there, but remember the concept of Python tuples and this tuples is totally different. Okay, so now let's check what this tuples is all about. So guys, you can see, okay, so in TypeScript, arrays provide a way to store multiple values in the same data type, right? We have already seen in the last chapter that what is array and how it stores the value in a single variable. But the problem is that you can store the value in array, but the data type should be same, right, of similar data type. But what if we want to store multiple type of data type in a single array, and when you store that kind of value, that is called tuples. That's it, no more than that. Now let's see ahead. So tuples in TypeScript allow you to store collection of values that can be different types, making them ideal for cases where you want to represent multiple pieces of information in a single variable. That's it. So what is tuple? We have already seen a tuple is an ordered collection of elements where each element can be of different data type. That is important point. Unlike arrays, which only support values of same data type, tuples allow you to store multiple values of different types in single collection of, for example, you might want to store ID number, name and price in single variable. So it is possible through tuples. For example, let's see this, where basket, this is number, you see this is number, this is string, this is floating number, and this is also string, isn't it? But we have stored in a single variable here, so this is called tuple, right? Displaying the tuple value is the same, pattern is same, rest of the things are same, just like array, no major difference in this. So if you want to access the tuple value, you can just write something like this, 0 1 2. So based on the index it will display 0, index value 0 1 2 3. So according to that, if you want to access the value, it will display something like that. If you want to declare empty tuple just like array, you can declare something like this here. So array empty here, then you can fill the value like this, pencil, bags, tiffin box, and then again if you want to access, you can show something like this. And also push, pop, we have already seen in previous chapter that how push, what does it do? Push add the element in the last, and pop removes the element of the last element. So that's it. If you want to edit the tuple, how it can be done? For example, Java, C++, C and TypeScript. Now what we will do in this one here, in this means where it is 0, we want to change to ASP.NET from Java to ASP.NET. So this is called updating the value. Now when you run this, means if you want to access 0, then this time it will show you ASP.NET rather than Java. Now destructuring, we have already seen destructuring in the last chapter. Once again we will repeat here what is the concept of destructuring. Here you can see this is tuple, number both are same, 10 and 100 and 200. Now what we are doing here, you can see, rather than, okay, so index is 0 and 1, right? Now rather than this 0 and 1, we want to change it to x and y. So what we will do, as soon as you assign this, then what happens, it is assigned here in X and 200 is assigned to Y, and finally when you try to access here through X and Y, you can access the value. That's it. So guys, that's it. So in summary, we can say tuple is very easy. In array we can store similar data type of value, but in tuple we can store multiple type of data value. Rest of the things are almost same as array. So that's it. So guys, that's it, this chapter. Hope you understand this, and in case if you have any question query, don't hesitate to ask. I will try my best to answer you. And guys, we can provide mean stack, merge stack, Java full stack, Vue.js, and several other courses we provide. So in case if you are interested, then you can contact us through number, email. So, and if you have any kind of projects, then we also do projects related to all these things. So in case you have a requirement, don't hesitate to contact. So thanks for watching. Let's see in the next chapter.